What is SAML for actually? What is SAML? What is SAML?
I have to Google it, but I'm pretty sure it's the same thing.
Put your phone away. And take the bite.
Phone a friend. That's what I'm saying. No, let's.
Do not Google this right now.
Whatever.
Welcome to the game show where developers have to bring the knowledge or face the heat.
I've been looking forward to this one, actually.
Will Aisha chop it up?
My heart can't take this one.
Or maybe Janessa will be a cut above.
What? Say that louder. Say that one more time.
I'm your host, Mark Texan, and this is Leet Heat. Here's how the game will work. Our contestants will spin the wheel, they'll land on a category, and then I'll ask them a series of questions. They get it right, they get points on the board. They get it wrong, they're going straight to Spiceville. And contestant, beware, you land on a Leet Heat tile that is a one-way trip, first class, to Spice City, population, you. All right, friends, off screen, Aisha won the coin toss. You're gonna spin that wheel.
All right.
All right, get yourself strapped in. Aisha opens up the game, landing on the Leet Heat tile. I like that energy, I like that commitment. We're gonna go with Spice Level 1, and today's Spicy Bites are being delivered via Dino Nuggies. JavaScript runtime 0 config.
Our Spice Level 1 is the Los Calientes Verde from Hot Ones. This is a good little warm-up sauce made with some green serranos and just a touch of habanero.
Okay.
Not bad, right?
We're gonna be okay.
That's what they all say. Okay, go
right.
ahead and choose the category. All right, we're diving into CSS as our first category, sponsored by our friends over at CodePen. Jason.
CodePen is a collaborative and social coding network for front end. It's a great way to go and put up some CSS projects, show everybody what you're working on, get some feedback, and you can also, leave some comments. But you can do all sorts of good stuff. Go check out CodePen.
Pretty nice. Let's get to that first question. In the before times, complex selectors like this were used to do what? A, hack IE to conditionally apply styles. B, prove CSS is a programming language. C, meet minimum character limits for Git commits. Or D, none of the above. Aisha.
D, none of the above.
No, some of the above. Put some sauce above her nugget onto it. Janessa.
Pass.
Pass, okay. She's not playing this game. She's not playing it. The answer we were looking for was A, hack IE to conditionally apply styles.
What Aisha is eating right now is the classic by Hot Ones. This one is a chili de arbol pepper mash.
Aisha, like, I'm past warm. It's getting hot. All right, next question. Which font unit is relative to parent element's font size? Is it A, REM, B, PT, C, PX, or D, EM? Aisha.
D, EM.
You know how embarrassingly great that was. Excellent answer. Aisha gets 1 point. She's back at 0. So that's the score 0. Let's continue. Which of the following is not a valid value for the display property? Is it A, absolute, B, table, C, block, D, run in? Janessa.
D, run in.
Hey, Annie, can you run in with some more spice? Aisha, you got a chance.
Absolute.
You are absolutely in store for more points. 100 points for Aisha. Janessa's getting that first bite.
That one. It's like, where's he going? I'm on the edge of my seat.
That's how I like it. I don't like y'all to know nothing I'm about to do.
My heart can't take this one.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm just getting started. Final question in the category. What is the default flex direction? Is it A, horizontal, B, row, C, column, or D, left, right? Aisha.
I thought I heard you move. Okay. Horizontal.
So when the bottle goes horizontal, that's how the sauce comes out? And that's gonna land right on your Dino Nuggie.
Yeah.
That is incorrect. Janessa, you have a chance.
Pass.
That is not an option. but I know what you want. That's fine. All right, the correct answer is B, row. B, row. You were on the right track with horizontal. That's okay. And Andy's going to walk horizontally right in this direction.
And this is the Hob Pineapple Habanero sauce. It looks like applesauce. It starts out sweet. It gets a little mean at the end, though.
You know what's never mean, though? It's never mean. It's always good. It's always nice because it's always time for a Leet Heat Tile. All right, the board is updated, but let's update you on our contestants. Let's get a chance to get to know them better. All right, Aisha, good to meet you. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
How you feeling so far?
I'm a little warm.
Yeah?
But other than that, feeling good.
I mean, that happens. You're already at a spice level 3. We just started.
I know, I'm getting too aggressive.
But
I'm just so
going for
excited.
Oh, okay, that excitement's gonna get you someplace, okay? Just be careful. So you started off as a seasoned developer. You spent a lot of time writing code, leading teams, doing a lot of interesting things. But now you're doing something completely different. Tell me about it.
Yes, I own a tabletop game store in Detroit called Opal Grove Games. We created it for people who haven't historically felt welcome in the hobby and made a really wonderful community.
Awesome. Do you get to do any engineering or any coding to support your business?
So yes, we do. We use a Shopify site, and I'm starting to consult with other small business owners and kind of help them figure out what their tech stack should be and how to best leverage it.
All right, let's go. I want you to leverage that same positive energy and keep on getting those bites. Welcome to the show. All right, Janessa, thanks for coming out. Good to meet you.
No problem. Good to meet you too.
All right, fantastic. So you've been working for almost a decade as an engineer, getting a lot of good experience. But what I'm really interested in is that you said you visited a country and you left your heart there.
Yes. So I visited Iceland last fall, the land of fire and ice. And so I got to see active volcanoes. I got to ride ATVs along the beach. I got to see some pretty gnarly waves at the black sand beaches. I did not try the pickled shark, but I watched a friend try the pickled shark. All was a really great experience.
Let me ask you a different question real quick. Is she your friend?
Not for this game. We're here to play.
Because the reason is because
Strategy.
you're watching her eat bites. So it sounds like how you watch your other friend eat sharks. It sounds like a pattern.
No, I think I work smarter, not harder.
All right, well, welcome to the show. I think you're gonna do great.
Thank you.
All right, friends at home, we're gonna get this party all the way started. Aisha, why don't you get some movement on that wheel for us? Okay, we're in Authentication, sponsored by our good friends over at Clerk. You know who knows about Clerk? My good friend, Jason.
I sure do, Mark. Clerk is a comprehensive user management platform. It is more than just a sign-in box. It's a complete suite of embeddable UIs, flexible APIs, and admin dashboards to authenticate and manage your users.
All right, first question of the category authentication. What is the purpose of access logs? Is it A, style access pages, B, record user activities and access patterns, C, encrypt user data, or D, manage user password? Janessa.
B, record user activities and patterns.
Why don't you go ahead and record some more points? Scores back to 0-0. Both contestants are above negative. Let's keep rolling. Token-based authentication is stateless because A, it uses server memory, B, tokens are stored in cookies, C, it doesn't require server-side sessions, or D, it relies on session IDs. The answer we're looking for is C, it doesn't require server-side sessions. The reason I laughed is because the strategy they're employing, she is in straight up self-preservation mode. Aisha does not want another bite. Janessa doesn't want any bites at all. She wants to watch her suffer. So it's just really interesting to see how they're playing. Let's see what happens next. Next question. Single logout SLO ensures that A, sign-out processes are faster, B, users can sign out from all sessions at once, C, users never have to sign out, or D, users can sign out from one device only. Aisha.
B, users can sign out from all sessions at once.
And you don't have to sign into another session of Spice. Isn't that nice?
It is. It's so nice.
You don't understand how grateful she is, because like you can see it in her face. I love it. Final question in the category. Let's see who takes this one. A YubiKey is a popular form of what authentication-related item? Is it A, a one-time password generator? B, a retina scanner? C, password manager? Or D, hardware passkey? Aisha.
D, hardware passkey.
And you just passed over the option for some spice with that correct answer. I like that. Okay, friends, we'll be back right after these messages.
I stacked all these laptops. IT never asked for them back.
Data stacks.
I stacked all these programming books. I ain't gonna read them.
Data stacks.
I stacked the source code for the Apollo 11 flight system.
Data stacks.
Hey, you do know that DataStax is tooling for building AI apps really fast?
We don't have time to read.
Data stacks.
Tired of complicated snacks? Try Dino Nuggies. An all-in-one zero-config treat.
Batteries included.
Dino Nuggies. Because snacking should be simple.
All right, friends, the board is more treacherous than ever. 50% opportunity to get some spice. Aisha, go ahead and give it another spin. Oh, I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. All right, you landed on the Leet Heat tile. Your spice level is 4. Jason, what's number 4?
The number 4 sauce today is a custom sauce that was made for our friends at DataStax. This is the Bodylicious.
You've had 4 bites already. How you holding up?
I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay.
Now that you're doing okay, why don't you choose our next category? Conservative little turn there. I like that. All right, we landed on the category Devlore, sponsored by our friends over at Neon. Jason, take it away.
The historical devlore category is sponsored by Neon, the Postgres database that lets you turn back time. You're able to explore your data history with time travel queries and restore your data instantly. Are you proud of me for that one?
The vocals, the vocals, I love it. How could you not be proud of that moment? Incredible. So let's get proud of these questions. Question number 1, what was the original name of the Kubernetes project? Is it A, Project Picard, B, Project 7 of 9, C, Project Spock, or D, Project Ducat? It was B, Project 7 of 9. Project 7 of 9. Why you look so disgusted about the questions? Like, why would somebody call it that? Unbelievable.
I like the name.
Good. Like this next question. What language does this mascot represent? Is it A, Go, B, Rust, C, D, C Sharp? Janessa.
A, go.
You better go on ahead with another 100 points. Back on the board, I like that energy. Next question. Which famous technology law states that the performance of hardware doubles approximately every 2 years? Is it A, Metcalfe's law, B, Murphy's law, C, Moore's law, or D, Shannon's law? Press it, yes. Do it. It's C, Moore's law. And they robbed me of an opportunity because I wanted somebody to get it wrong so I can say, no, it's actually Mark's law of taking spice. Stolen opportunity. All right, next. The name Kubernetes comes from the Greek word meaning blank or blank, reflecting its role in steering containerized applications. Is it A, general or navigator, B, helmsman or pilot, C, commander or leader, or D, engineer or architect? Janessa.
C, commander or leader?
I command you to take a bite. I don't know why I said it so hard. So level 2. Aisha, you have a chance to steal.
A, general or navigator.
And in general, you also get a bite.
No!
Okay, the answer was B. The answer was B. Helmsman or pilot. Aisha's on number 5. What's spice number 5, Jason?
Number 5 is the Road Dog by Sauce Leopard. This is a sriracha-style hot sauce out of Colorado. The classic by Hot Ones.
Janessa just took a bite. Was like, it's good. I told you it's good. See? Now you should be more bold and go for it, okay? Good, I like that. And then that takes us to the end of this category. When you gonna do it? Leet Heat Tile. Yeah, see, I keep y'all on y'all toes. During the little break, Janessa said her spinning arm is ready. So go ahead, show us what you can do.
No way, you gotta spin it for real.
Self-spinning arm.
That's more like it.
Aisha is out for blood. Janessa gets a spicy bite, level 3.
This is the pineapple habanero sauce.
I've been looking forward to this one, actually.
It's a good sauce. I would put that on fish tacos. I think it would be fabulous.
So confident, so ready. We'll see how this turns out. All right, Janessa, choose our next category, please.
Sure thing. APIs and SDKs.
Let's go with APIs and SDKs. I like that energy. What does a product SDK typically do? Is it A, provide convenience methods, B, wrap the product's API, C, handle auth and connection, or D, all of the above? Janessa?
D, all of the above.
And you would be correct. I know you said D. I couldn't think of anything funny.
You had me scared for a minute.
That's how I like it. All right. What word commonly prefixes credentials sent via header? Is it A, API-key, B, token, C, bearer, D, access? Janessa?
C, bearer.
Oh, you about to bear some more points. In a RESTful API, URLs map to resources. What is used to specify which action is being performed? A, HTTP request methods, B, query parameters, C, request body, or D, vibes? Say vibes.
A, HTTP request methods.
All right, I will grant your request for more points. 100 points for you. Final question of the category. Some APIs allow the requester to specify the MIME type of the response using which header? Is it A, content type, B, accept, C, format, or D, MIME type? All right, we were looking for B, accept, B, accept. Guess what? You got an accept. I have a package for you. Can you please sign for it? Like this? Good. Open it up. It's for you. A Leet Heat title. All right, now we've brought ourselves to my favorite type of board. There's only one category left, and the rest is spice. I call that the pie slice. Janessa, give the wheel a real spin.
We'll see.
Okay, that was a good spin, especially if you like eating spice. Level 4 for Janessa. What are we on for level 4?
The level 4 sauce is the Bodylicious, and that is sponsored by our friends over at DataStax.
All right, let's turn the board to our final category. You wanna let her steal your turn like that? That's messed up.
That's true.
We only got one category, Mark.
Wow. She said, I don't care what you're thinking. That was towards you, not me. All right, we're in acronyms. What does CORE stand for? Is it A, Content Object Read Security, B, Code Optimization for Remote Servers, C, Cross-Origin Resource Sharing, or D, Continuous Online Reason for Suffering? Aisha.
Cross-origin resource sharing.
I'm about to share some points with you. Here you go. 200, there you go. Next question. What does CSS stand for? Is it A, Code Standard Styling, B, Cascading Style Sheets, C, Computer Style Architecture, or D, Chaos Sewn Stylishly? Aisha.
Cascading style sheets.
And those points, it keeps cascading on, they keep stacking up. Boom, points and points and points. Let's continue. What does PEBKAC stand for? Is it A, Poor Execution Brings Karma and Consequences, B, Prior Engagement Blocking Kickoff, or C, Program Easy Base Knowledge, or D, Problem Exists Between Keyboard and Chair?
Problem exists between keyboard and chair.
You know what doesn't exist, a problem? You get more points. Oh, great. Final question of the category and of the round. Are you ready? Let's go. What does LGTM stand for? Is it A, Looks Go to Mars, B, Let's Get This Merged, C, Let's Get This Money, or D, Looks Good to Me? Aisha.
Looks good to me.
Are you sure you don't want to go with Let's Get This Money?
I would like to get some money, but I'm sticking with D.
All right, it does look good to me, and your score going up looks good to me. And you know what else look good to me? You coming back after these messages for round 2 of Leet Heat.
He's our last line of defense against the robot uprising. Meet the kill switch engineer at the world's largest AI company.
So I get the job, they give me the stick,
And they tell me to sit down here and they tell me to wait. They tell me you watch that light. That light ever comes on, then you just, well, they told me not to say it out loud because it's possible the thing can listen to us now and understand what we're saying, so.
It may sound like a dream job, but it comes with drawbacks.
They tell me I can't use the internet no more because apparently the AI can trick you into falling in love with it. They told me that's already happened.
Well, we make it work.
Full story at 8.
All right, welcome back to Leet Heat, the game show where developers have to bring the knowledge or face the heat. We're in round 2, which means the points are doubled, the spice is spicier, and the questions are harder. We left off with having Aisha have to spin the wheel. All right, landing on the category acronyms. What does SVG stand for? You know it, come on, one of y'all say it. We're looking for scalable vector graphics.
Yeah, that was the one I was trying to find.
I was like, scalar.
That would have been close to you getting another bite. All right, what does JWT stand for? Aisha.
JSON Web Tokens?
Why you ask like that? Answer, not a question. What does it stand for?
JSON Web Tokens.
I like that energy. And here, 200 points for you. In research, what does HCI stand for? Janessa, you said this to me off camera. Say it again.
I said fast.
Tried to trick her. Didn't work this time. All right, we're looking for human-computer interaction. Human-computer interaction. What do programmers mean when they say Yagni?
I've never heard a programmer
When
say
have
that.
you said yeah?
Yeah, I've never heard
I have
that.
said it. I always say all the time. You aren't gonna need it. You aren't gonna need it. I say it all the time. That extra sandwich, you aren't gonna need it. You know what I mean? Like, so I leave it at home. All right, that's the end of the category. I'm not leaving you at home, and I'm not leaving this at home. You know what it is? We brought it with us. It is a Leet Heat tile. All right, the board is a little spicier. That means, Aisha, you still are in control. Give it a spin. That was a dangerous spin.
Our spice level 6 is Hab Sauce's Ghost of Masculine Pride.
You are taking that like a champ. She's having a good time. You should join her.
I'm having a good time too.
Watching me suffer.
All right, Aisha, why don't you go ahead and choose our next category?
I will do that. We're coming over here.
All right, we're at CSS, sponsored by our friends over at CodePen. Here's the first question. To manually change the stacking order for elements, what property is used? Aisha.
Z-index.
That is correct. To prevent text from wrapping, even if it overflows the element, what value for white space is used?
No wrap?
Not correct. Could you wrap some sauce around a nugget, Aisha?
No, I don't remember.
I don't remember. The answer is pre. The answer is pre. So prepare yourself for another bite.
As a reminder, this is our Road Dog sauce. This is by Sauce Leopard out of Colorado, and it is a lot of Fresno peppers with a little bit of habanero in there.
All right, next question. Content, padding, border, and margin are all parts of what? Janessa.
Box model.
The box model, let's go up. 200 points for you. What are special states like hover, active, first child, etc. called? Aisha.
Pseudo classes?
Can you see those points coming your way? So bad. That's so bad. So bad. But that's okay. You know what's never bad? You know what you can see coming your way? If you look closely. Is that what I think it is? Is that a Leet Heat tile? Yes, it is. All right, now that our board is spicier than ever, let's do a point check on the contestants. Aisha, 1,100 points, spice level 6. Janessa, 300 points, spice level 5. Aisha, you have to spin the wheel. All right, she's at a spice level 7. Jason, what's our 7 spice?
Our level 7 spice is the Machismo Reaper, also by Hob Sauce. This one is made with Carolina Reaper peppers.
Yummy. All right. Here's a gesture in good faith. Go ahead and choose our next category.
Thank you.
Got it.
You.
All right, we're on Devlore, sponsored by our friends over at Neon. Here we go. What is the name of the character encoding standard developed in the 1960s that uses 7 bits to represent text and includes 128 unique characters such as letters, numbers, and symbols? Aisha.
ASCII.
ASCII shall receive more points. What development approach proposed by Kent Beck requires writing automated tests for functionality before writing the actual implementation code? Aisha.
Test-driven development.
You're doing like points-driven gaming because you got another 200 points. Way to play. What is the name of the Linux mascot? It's the name of your pet. No, it's not. Tux. The answer is Tux.
Okay.
I have no idea if you have a pet named Tux.
I don't have a pet at all.
All right, last question of the category. Which programming language is known for its compile time memory safety and preventing issues like null pointer dereferencing? Janessa.
Is it Java?
Can you jog over with a bite? You got a chance to steal.
Rust.
Wow. Can you not rush a bite for her? Because she actually got it correct. 200 points. But Janessa, you get a bite.
That is the Ghost of Masculine Pride. That is a Hob Sauce made from ghost peppers and Carolina Reapers.
I was looking forward to this one.
Oh, good. You know what I'm looking forward to? Talking about the ghost of the tile that is no more. It is now a Leet Heat tile. All right, the board, spicier and spicier and spicier, almost to my favorite configuration. Aisha, give it a spin.
Hey!
Wow, impressive. Avoided the spice and landed on a great category, authentication, sponsored by our friends over at Clerk. First question. What hashing algorithm is commonly recommended for securely storing user passwords? All right, we're looking for bcrypt or Argon2. Bcrypt or Argon2. Which HTTP method is typically used to submit sign-in credentials to a server? Hey, wait a minute, Mr. Post. We're looking for post, man. Hold it together, buddy. In the context of web authentication, what does the term IDP stand for? Okay, that's identity provider. Identity provider.
See, I almost said idempotent for no reason.
I wanted you to. Final question of the category. Using blank, a user is able to sign into any of several related yet independent systems using one login ID. Janessa.
SAML?
Is there a spice available for this? Aisha, chance to steal.
Single sign-on?
Single sign-on. Oh, that is so good because it's correct.
That's the SAML, single sign-on.
What is SAML for, actually? What is SAML? What is SAML?
I have to Google it, but I'm pretty sure it's the same thing.
Put your phone away. And take the
Can we phone a
bite.
friend?
That's what I'm saying. No, let's.
Do not Google this right now.
Whatever.
I think that SAML is also correct.
What? Say that louder.
SAML.
Say that one more time.
SAML's primary role in online security is that it enables you to access multiple web applications using one set of login credentials. It's not what we were asking for, but it is correct. I think
Is that
we
a protocol?
gotta.
Is SAML a protocol though?
SAML is it's like an open standard.
Yeah, so what did I ask? What did I ask?
It was like using blank, which it would play.
So you tell your users, all right, friends, go ahead and use your SAML to get into the other site. No, you do not. You say, no,
Yes,
you don't.
you do.
Nobody
Yes,
ever
you
says that.
do.
You always say
You
SAML.
use SAML. You use SAML to log in.
You know what? If y'all wanted to argue, go be lawyers. Right now, you're on a game show. And you lost. All right, friends. Now, while we may hear about that in the comments, guess what you're gonna hear about right now? A Leet Heat tile. All right, Aisha, the board is looking very nice. It's the version I call the pie slice. Lots of spice, not a lot of chance. Give it a spin.
I'd like to let it be known that this is why I've taken most of my bites. Thank you.
Oh, it's so good. It's so good. All right, level 8. Jason, what's our level 8 spice?
Our level 8 spice is Ninja Napalm by the Pepper Ninja. This is a hot sauce made with scorpion peppers.
See, Ninja Napalm, you won't even see it coming.
You said that like they weren't all hot.
That's true. We might have misled you. All right, go ahead and pick our next category. We'll make it up to you. All right, APIs and SDKs. Final category of the game, last 4 questions. Scored 1900 to negative 100. Yes, that's you. She looked like me. What? How? To check the headers of a GET request without downloading the response, what HTTP method is used? That would be head. That would be head. Next question. The access control allow origin header is used to manage what type of error? Sure.
CORS error?
That is correct. Next question. Where REST focuses on resources, which API approach focuses on verbs and actions? Aisha.
Soap?
You'll need some soap to clean your mouth with the bite. What about you? Janessa, would you like to steal?
I don't know, pass.
That is not the answer. Pass is not the, I'm kidding. It's RPC. RPC, I have a heart, okay? I'm not that mean.
The level 9 bite is the Torchbearer Garlic Reaper sauce. This is a spicy one. This one is made with, as the name would suggest, Carolina Reaper peppers.
Say less. Next question, final question of the game. What mechanism allows an API to serve alternative formats of a resource, such as WebP versus JPEG images, best suited for the user? Y'all did a lot of this trying to get points. Content negotiation. Content negotiation. Well, I'm gonna negotiate something else. That's the end of the game, but literally, Jason has a proposal for you. I do not, he does. Aisha, 1,700 points. Janessa, 100 points. Jason, what's your proposal?
My proposal is we should all just cheers the spiciest bite just to send us all home.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I sure will not.
Mark, you don't get a choice.
Oh, I did not sign anything for this.
You didn't sign the medical waiver, did you?
Exempt.
This is gonna be great.
Exempt.
We're about to eat the Elijah's Extreme Regret sauce. This is made with Carolina Reapers and Trinidad Scorpion peppers. The reported Scoville level is 800,000. All right, here we go.
I have one question left on the board. What did you call it when you're being forced into something you never agreed to?
Being Mark.
Being Mark. That's the correct answer.
I get 200 points.
Here
we go. Cheers, everybody. Thanks for playing.
Never said
Cheers.
this. Ow! Oh.
You want to send us home?
Oh my God. Really, guys?
Yeah. Okay, friends. You're not my friend. Everybody at home, just think, Aisha and Janessa, thanks for coming out. Thanks for playing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for playing at home.
I got the hiccups.
I cannot feel my nose. Do something for me with 2 things. Do not eat this, and definitely keep it spicy. Thanks for watching. Oh my God. Oh, I need some milk.
You handled that really, really well.
You know who I feel like right now? I feel like Steve Harvey. I read what was on the card. And everybody mad at me. What was on the card is what I read. Mark, do your job, read the card. What you wrong? What the card said. My agent. Like y'all taking a long time to eat. Like you were still chewing when I was into the next
Yeah, that's why I was
question.
like, I can't think right now. Okay.
I have never seen you more proud of yourself than this moment.
It was the it's for you. I thought that in the last second. And it was so bad. We should only film after I haven't slept or eaten. We should just film only then.